Hey business builders, if you have a website, did you know that 80% of your website traffic is probably coming from mobile devices? That means if you're trying to capture email addresses or grow your email list and you're not targeting those mobile visitors, you could be losing out on huge amounts of leads. So in this video, I want to show you exactly how to create a mobile opt-in with OptinMonster. It takes just a few minutes. In just a few minutes, you can get it working for your site so that you can make sure that your website traffic isn't being forgotten and they can get on your list and turn into happy paying customers sooner rather than later. So let's go ahead and get started.
Within your OptinMonster dashboard, click the green Create New Campaign button. Next, you'll want to go down to the filters and click Mobile. All of these are our mobile templates. Choose the template that fits your design needs. Then you can name the campaign, choose which website it will load on, and start building. Within our drag and drop builder, you'll see that it's formatted to fit on a mobile device. With this template as our foundation, we can tweak the design by changing the image, for example. And once you've chosen the image that you'd like to use, one trick that I love to do is to import the custom colors. You can save your color palettes, so this will be accessible on everything we do from here on out on our campaign. So next, we're just going to change our text to reflect the message that we want to share with our mobile visitors. So you might want to say something about scrolling. In this case, we put before you scroll, and then we tell them about our PDF offer. And then we'll just change the subtext, and we'll edit the submit button to say download my cheat sheet. And we can also change our submit button color, as you can see here with the color palette we just imported. And then we'll go to the hover tab and copy our regular styles so that we make sure that we have coherent styling throughout the campaign. And finally, in the action tab, we'll redirect to a URL, and in the URL link, we'll type in where we want our users to be redirected to automatically download the PDF. Next, depending on your OptinMonster plan, you can possibly toggle to remove the OptinMonster branding. And next, we're going to go into display roles, and all mobile templates will show exclusively on mobile devices, so you don't need to worry about that, but we do need to decide when it will show up on mobile. So I'm going to choose if the time on page is at least 10 seconds and if they're on the pricing page. Then in the summary, we can confirm display rules. Next, in integrations, we'll connect to our email marketing service provider, such as Constant Contact, and in just a couple of clicks, we'll make sure that our emails are going straight to our list. And next, in analytics, you'll automatically be connected to OptinMonster Analytics, which are excellent. But if you'd like to go a step further, you can always connect to your Google Analytics profile. And finally, in the Publish tab, we'll make sure to save and toggle from pause to live, and you can preview your campaign. And as you can see, your campaign is ready to grow your email list on mobile devices.
All right, guys, congratulations. Now you have a working mobile opt-in for your site. It just took a few minutes. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more online marketing tutorials with us here at OptinMonster. We'd love to have you as part of our YouTube family. We're also on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So I'll see you guys over there, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye, guys.